Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can unblock downloads in the Google Chrome web browser really quickly. So let us get started right away. Now, for instance, guys, let's assume Google Chrome is blocking files from being downloaded due to a variety of reasons. For instance, it may consider these files as potentially harmful. So guys, just in case you're 100% convinced that the given file is safe, and if you still would like to download it, there is a way how you can force Google Chrome to download these files anyway. So what you want to do is click on these three dots here in the top right corner inside your Google Chrome web browser and select settings here at the bottom, and inside your browser settings, make sure that you head over to privacy and security here to the left, and here to the right, select security. And finally, guys, what you want to do is disable the safe browsing feature temporarily to download the given file. So you may switch from enhanced protection or standard protection, which one of them should be set on default, to no protection, but only temporarily, I would suggest, because this feature is not recommended. And if you leave it just like that without protection, Google Chrome will not protect you from potentially harmful files or from downloading these files. So guys, it's up to you how you handle this. That's how you unblock downloads on Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.